Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick get ready with me. I have plans to take my two daughters to IKEA and have lunch and just have like a little girls' day. I want to go to IKEA to really just look for some storage because their room is a mess. So let's get started. I have already applied the not foundation. I applied this Dewy Day Cream Moisturizer. It has rose hip and tremelia. I don't know what tremelia is, but it helps. It really helps with moisturizing my skin since it is, so damn dry. And I'm also wearing this Alpyn Beauty lip mask, which I'm really loving. It really helps my dry, because I have such dry lips. It's really helping keep my moisture on my lips. And that's all I have now. So we're gonna start with the Nude Beiges, the Chanel Nude Beiges primer. I am loving this primer. It really gives you this, it keeps your skin hydrated, and it also gives you this nice healthy luminosity that I am really, really, really enjoying. And also it helps my makeup last a little longer. So I used this on my last video, and it really, really, really did do a great job. Hi, Mama.
Hello.
You almost ready?
Yep.
Okay. And there it is. It just gives you a nice, healthy glow, just like it describes. And this is in light copper. And now we're going to use the Chanel, number one, the Chanel foundation in B40. Let's see how far this, let's see how far this goes. Just going to apply a little bit in the center. And spread it out to the outer side of my face. A little bit more, a tad more. Just a little bit more. See. I like this foundation. It's just gives you it's nice coverage without feeling heavy. And it smells really nice. It's a little darker than my skin right now, but that is why I'm blending it down onto my neck. And I always try to cover my ears. I'm recording, just so you know.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, honey.
Bye.
I love you more. And then apply some concealer. I usually do the Sysley Eye Concealer because it has a bit of a corrector. Just a tad. It really, for me, this really does make a difference on covering my dark circles. And I've had this concealer. When did I buy this? I think I'm almost gonna have it for about a year. I think I bought this. No, I bought this concealer last April, and it is still going strong. Next, you know I'm recording, right? I'm just letting you know.
Right now?
Yes, right now.
You were shooting right now.
You're lucky that my head's covering the stairs. Well, not anymore. You might be on my video, so don't be upset. Enter at your own risk. Okay. Now let's do the eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit. I'm using the Benefit My Brow Pencil in 3.5. What time are you leaving, Adam? Okay. Do you need me to go to the store to pick something up? No. Hmm? No. Why not? Yeah. You can't show up without any, you know, something. Okay, want me to pause? I'll pause. You better hurry. Okay. That was my son. He has a date. He is 17 and he is dating this really cute girl. And that's it. So he just he's getting ready. That's why he doesn't want to have. That's why he doesn't want to come with me to IKEA. Anyway, or have lunch with us girls. Which is totally fine with me. They'll be less expensive. Okay. So that's my eyebrow. Those are my eyebrows. You know, eyebrows are always so difficult for me because depending on what mood they're in, that's how they're gonna look. So anyway, trying to get them at least the same shade as close as possible. Okay. What do you think? Okay? I don't know. Okay. So where was I? Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of this Benefit. This is a sample of the Benefit eyebrow pencil. I mean eyebrow gel. Just a little bit to keep my eyebrows from going too wild. Okay, that's what I do. Next, what am I gonna do next? Next, I am going to use, I'm gonna set this and then apply a little bit of bronzer. And I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. This is in the lightest, these are the lightest shades. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it. This is a setting powder in this corner here. I forgot what. Number 1 is the finishing powder, diffused light. So I just like to go using a smaller brush to get into my crevices. These palettes are definitely my favorite, my go-tos, let's say, because, well, it's obvious. It's just really easy. It has everything you need. It has setting powders. It has bronzer, blush, highlighter, all in one. So especially when you are running out of time or don't like to spend a lot of time doing your makeup, this is perfect. And I believe this came out, when did it come out? In the summertime, sometime in the summertime. Okay, then I'm gonna use the bronzer, and this is in, it's called Lunar Bronze. Just give me just a little bit of color. And I like to go into my hairline because it's one of my pet peeves when I see bronzer, but then I see the white scalp. I don't know why. It just kind of bothers me. I feel like you're not done. So I go in there, and it also helps soften my gray. So I do that. Just so it looks a little bit more natural. In my opinion. Okay, do the other side, same thing. Okay, a little bit, just a little bit here, my jawline. Then I go with a smaller brush and I use some of the bronzer as eyeshadow. Just to give me some dimension. I'm not going anywhere special or trying to look, I don't know, I just want to look normal. Just want to look more natural. Just a little bit of dimension. This is really my everyday look, to be honest with you. And under as well. And then I use a smaller brush, this one. And I go in there with the highlighter, which is number 3, the metallic strobe in Opal Strobe Light, right in my inner corner. And the brow bone. And I use a little bit as a highlighter, just a little bit. It's not really noticeable, but when the light hits you just perfect, just right, it looks so pretty. That's it. Oh, no, that's not it. Then I'm going to use the same bronzer brush, the same brush that I used for my bronzer for the blush, which is number 5 here, and it is called Diffused Heat. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Sort of look like flushed. A little bit here. And that's it. And next, I'm going to use, what else am I going to use? Lipstick. Which lipstick have I been using? I've been using, oh, perfect. So I've been using this Lisa Eldridge Velveteen lipstick. but only as a lip liner, and it is in color Muse. Let me take off a little bit of the mask. So I just go a little bit outside of my natural lip. Just to make them look a little bit bigger, fuller. And I'm going to just sort of blend it inward. Then I top it off with the new Chanel lipstick in number 938. This one's in Keep It Cool, which is really nice, like a nice frosty, sort of a nice frosty nude. Yeah, that is that. No, that's not it. I gotta apply some. And then mascara, guys. And did I leave this mascara open? I think I did. I think that's my mascara. Okay, so now mascara. That is it. So I hope you like this look. And I'm going to take my girls out for the day. We're going to have a good time. I'm going to be able to take, hopefully I'm going to take some pictures. And I have to just go and finish up drying up my hair, and I'm going to take off. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. It's really, really, really appreciated. You have a beautiful day. Bye.
Piggy.
Lily, look over here. Come on. Ah, I hate escalators.
Mom, those spiders look real.
Are those spiders real? Absolutely not. They're play spiders.
Lily.
What are you scared of, Lily?
That video from like.
Say hello to. I'm recording for Mama right now.
You're modeling? This room is so cute. I'm being held here. Oh wait, there's a mirror. Hold on, let's see what I look like. That's cute. Maybe in the photo. We can put that like where like Charlie's footballs are.
Oh, little wine rack.
No, stop. Wait, stop. She's our model.
This is just a solid piece. Yeah, all the natural.
Oh no! You just scared the whole audience.
You sound like a mouse.
What salad we eat? Okay.
Salad? No, I just want to you. I'm really close to hitting you with the car.
Are you don't hit me? Girl. Why you hurt my mother? Ouch. You're so bad. I'm gonna take you back home.
No, I want food.
I'm gonna take you back home.
Faster. Stop touching my head. What's the dispensers?
No, you guys always break everything. Is that comfy, Stella?
Yes, very much.
You think they'll give me a refund for you?
Hopefully we do. More like Lily, but yeah, maybe.
So, oh my god, that was a long trip.
My head
What
hurts
time
from
did-
that.
It was fun though, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we walked all of IKEA and came out with
Ice cream.
ice cream. The favorite, but you cannot leave IKEA without having ice cream or a hot dog. But we're gonna go eat, so we're gonna go, where are we going? We might go to the Sundry, I'm thinking. I've never been there and I think it'll be fun to go. And what else did I get? Oh, I just got a
Plant.
a little fake plant because I kill all my plants. That's it. So let's go.
Black thumb.
I have a black thumb. Okay, bye.
Is it on your place?